Check, 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 1, 2. It is Tuesday, October 4th, 2022. Was out yesterday traveling. Looks like we had a big up day yesterday. We actually drove up and actually gapped up to the top of this channel here. That's pretty interesting. And then also what's interesting is where the ES is right now, because we had been trading in this channel back and forth. Looked like we were looking really heavy, and here we are gapping up to here. And I'm wondering if we go visit this area up here, this point of control in the ES, take a look at that, or do we suck back down into here and then drive back down to the other side? I don't know. We'll see, but kind of anticipating any of those scenarios. And Tesla 248s was down at 248 and just popped up above 252. Tesla moving them both ways, and I think Tesla's going to drive up to that 255, 256. Wonder if there's a way to get involved in that. Would not be surprised if this Tesla went to break out to highs. Wouldn't mind picking it up at this 250 area. You have to hold it against 248, but not my main play. But I just have a feeling that Tesla's gonna go, has to go test that level. Just has to go test that level. Thinking about how much, if I even want to put the trade on. Oh gosh, I do want to. Yeah, I feel like I need to put that trade on the long down here at 250. Try to carry it up to 255, 256. I'm going to see if I can get some really good prices. 249 is what I'm going to do. And I'm going to go against 248. But I may have missed it just there. Bidding for Tesla down here at 250. We'll see if we get it. I think that we're going to go head to highs, but I may not get it here. I'd be surprised if they just dump it again through there, but if they do, I'll be able to get some. Here's the 80s. Maybe they will dump it one more time. Tesla's a tough one to trade. You see these huge wicks that come down. So I try to trade it on the extremes. Here's the 80s. There's the 70s, 60s. There's Microsoft on highs. Microsoft moving to highs. Let's go ahead and set that high day. And here's Tesla coming down into the 50s. And now we're not that far away anymore. If it comes down and wipes everyone out below the hole, that's where I could get a long on. It would be really good risk reward down there. But there's the 50s. 40s even. There's Meta on lows. Immediately pops up, and there's Microsoft just exploding up into resistance. Microsoft approaching that resistance level on a higher time frame. It's up at 247.50. Let me set that higher time frame R. And then I wanted to look at Meta, and Meta's on lows, which is interesting. 71 low a day. Tesla up into 5150s, and I may not get those excellent prices down there. I'm just gonna hang on. Tesla moving up to 52s. Basically needed to screw everyone on the long side, come down, dump them all, fill me, and then go to highs and try to get up. Yeah, and where I'm trying to get in, I'm trying to get in on against these nodes here. Let me mark this on this chart. Somewhere around here is where I'm trying to get in. Oops, let's do that. And then the stop is 248s down here. And then the target is these 256s. And here's Tesla up at 52s. It does not look like I'm going to get my, where is Microsoft? And the other trade in Tesla is shorting against that 55, 56 area. This Microsoft, though, is about to bang into this 47, 50, 48 area. Microsoft. Microsoft straight into that spot. Straight into that spot. Would like a little more extension. Let's see what that looks like up into 240. 248. There's BABA, Microsoft. Microsoft hits that higher time frame level right there. Excuse me. And I've got less than 10 minutes left before I have to jump for a meeting. I don't think Microsoft is quite there yet. I think it needs to go higher first. Do not want to short it right here. Amazon. Amazon making new highs. Amazon looking good. Let me go to a higher time frame here. Nice on Amazon. Come down to that 120 and then pull through. Very nice. Let's look at what NVIDIA hasn't gone yet. Microsoft is going. Now, if Microsoft came into 248 and then had some exhaustion volume, that'd be very interesting to me. It's interesting that Tesla is not on highs. That is very interesting. Here's 248 on Microsoft. Microsoft. Very strong. Still doesn't have the exhaustion volume, but definitely setting up. Tesla, not sure if I want the long anymore. It's kind of a changing trade here. Now that we're up into this area, if it quickly got down there, look at that size. If it quickly gets down there very, very quickly on a flush, then I'll take it because I think it will reclaim. But I think Microsoft is still front side. Here's Tesla coming down into 250. There's the 60s, 50s, 40s, 20s, teens. Will I get a fill down there? Can it quickly flush? I think it can. Nope, did not get down there. Got down very close. It got down to 10 cents. Got down to 10 cents. Back down there, I did get filled. I have an average price of 93 cents on Tesla. Long Tesla, 93-cent average. Looking for a very quick pop back up here. Right now going into the 70s, back up into the hole. I think this thing could run to 256s, 255s, 256s. Let's see where she goes. Down into the 60s and 50s. Not where I wanted it. Got about 5 minutes left before I have to jump to work. There's the 40s. I'd like to see this Tesla pop back up above 251, 252 and run. Some size coming off here. Netflix on lows. Microsoft ran into that resistance. Let's see if we can run. Let's see if we can run some more. Thought we were still front side on Microsoft. Can Tesla get up back above reclaim 250, get back above 252, make a run for 256? Let's see. Really struggling to get back above 250. And Microsoft about to be on highs, which is going to help for sure. This is going to help my Tesla. Microsoft running still. Tesla can't get up above 250. But I think this is the right play. I think this is the right play. At least to go run to 253. 256 would be ideal. But we're back down here into the 60s, 50s. Tesla just can't get up. Down to the 40s, not what I wanted to see on Tesla. Microsoft on highs, down to the 30s, so this Tesla not working. Can't seem to get up over. Starting to have a time stop. Let me take a look. Netflix cracked. And Tesla dropping down to the 20s, teens. It's going to go test 49. Not at all what I was looking for. Let's look at Microsoft. There's the exhaustion on Microsoft to the long side. So Microsoft starting to set up. But I need to reset the high day on Microsoft because it's still front side here. It's still making highs. Really need Tesla to get up above 250 and start moving. Time stop. There's Microsoft on new highs. We set more new highs on Microsoft. Will it go to 249? And there goes the general market, and Tesla is above 250 here. Can we get above 251? Microsoft on highs. Microsoft just ripping. Absolutely ripping. And Tesla cannot get up. Cannot get up. If it does get up above here, it is just gonna absolutely fly. Gonna set one for sale up at 253. There's Microsoft, new highs. Can Tesla get up above 50 cents? I have to leave for work in a minute. Can Tesla gain that 250? Or that 50 cent, I mean. Just really struggling. Microsoft above 49. Wowzers. Microsoft continuing to impress. Very impressive. High day. Let's reset it. So I'm going to try to put one Tesla out here. If we can get up there. She's struggling. They're definitely selling her here. Market continues to push though. I think a lot of people are trying to short into this, maybe getting caught. If this thing gets up above 50 cents, look out. And I actually got to run to work, so I'm going to put this on mute. Let this go. There she goes above 50 cents. So I'll just let this trade work.